Hi, you're probably watching this video because the healthcare system has completely failed neuropathy patients. If you go to a neuropathy treatment center like Relief or any of those other clinics, they're charging upwards of $10,000 for treatment programs. $10,000! Now, here's where it gets worse. A lot of doctors from the older generation are still telling patients that nerve damage can't be repaired and prescribe pills that manage the symptoms, not treat the nerve damage underneath. And even if you're lucky enough to have a doctor who actually knows about photobiomodulation therapy, they would prescribe something like Neuropacalm with a Health Light boot for upwards of $1,600 due to high doctor markups and the way the medical supply chain works. Good news is, photobiomodulation or red light therapy can stimulate nerve repair with a holistic treatment approach. The technology was initially developed by NASA, and there are literally thousands of peer-reviewed studies that show how it helps with nerve regeneration. We've covered them in depth on our website if you want to look deeper into the science, but the problem is the system hasn't caught up. So at CuraYou, we partner with the Center for Senior Health and MCare Physical Therapy to develop the world's first comprehensive neuropathy treatment system that delivers clinical-level results at home. The Neuropathy Light Therapy System isn't just a device, but it's a 90-day holistic therapy program that covers all 4 building blocks for effective nerve repair. First, it covers photobiomodulation. That's the red light therapy to supercharge cellular energy at the mitochondrial level for faster nerve tissue repair. Second, it covers targeted supplements, so your nerves actually get the nutrients they need to be able to facilitate that repair. Third, it optimizes your diet because studies show the gut-brain axis regulates pain in both the peripheral and the central nervous system. And fourth, it includes physical therapy exercises that help reboot and restore those damaged communication pathways. So, if you buy the Neuropathy Light Therapy System, you're not just buying a device and hoping for the best. You're getting the same multi-layered approach that those $10,000 neuropathy centers use. But you can do it at home, on your schedule, without the commute, without the appointments, and without draining your savings. Now I know what you're thinking. A comprehensive neuropathy solution for less than $400? That sounds too good to be true. And I get why you'd be skeptical. After all, the system was designed to keep you hooked on pills. The program was designed with experts and is based on thousands of scientific studies. Even better, we've proven it works with thousands of happy customers. Feel free to watch our case studies or read through the reviews on our website. And because we know it works so well, we back this up with a 60-day risk-free money-back guarantee. No clinic and no doctor would ever give you that.